Hello everyone, welcome back to the chapter number 12, our human resources. So in this video we are going to learn about population, growth and distribution. So basically the population growth refers to an increase in the number of people that reside within a state or a country. The world population almost reached 500 million by 1650 and has since grown at an increasing rate. So you can see in the table how it is increasing. Economic growth is advancing with the evolution in industry, agriculture, and with improvements in medical care, health, flood control, and fire protection, and so many things. All these elements help to control the natural laws and thus decrease the number of death and increase in birth. So how we can calculate the population growth? There are two factors. One is birth rate, another one is death rate. So birth rate refers to the total number of birth per thousand of a population in a year, and death rate refers to the total number of death per thousand of a population in a year. So population growth is equal to birth rate and death rate. So these are the factors which affects population. So we can see developed countries have low birth rate, low death rate, low population, and developing countries they have high birth rate, low death rate, and so you can see the natural decreases. Basically, the population distribution is the pattern of or arrangement that how people live in a particular area on the earth. Most of the world population distribution is uneven. And the population density refers to the number of people that are living per unit of a certain area or per square kilometer. So we can calculate population density also. Number of people in a country divided by area of a country. So we can see few countries and their population density. So these are the factors: population distribution, density, natural factor and human factor. So we can see in the summary that population growth refers to an increase in the number of people that resides within a state or country. Population growth rate refers to the difference between birth rate and death rate. Population distribution is the pattern or arrangement of how people live in a particular area on the earth. Population density, it refers to the number of the people living per unit of a certain area or per square meter. Population distribution and density are affected by both natural factors and human factors. Thank you.